What's good, people? Been home at the crib, trying to find some things to do to occupy my time since we've been trapped doing all this craziness the last 2 years. So I locked myself in my garage and actually went online and started looking at some videos to see if there was any creative stuff out there. I saw people making a lot of this cool contemporary furniture and cabinetry, and I was like, okay, well, I got a bunch of saws and stuff in my garage, so I could probably make that. It don't look that difficult to do. So I started trying to make some cabinetry, and I realized that construction tools and woodworking tools are two totally different things. So with that being said, I had to go out and get some new tools, a saw, a router table, all that good stuff. And most importantly, I realized that I had to get a dust processor. And strictly because all the wood that you cut, the dust, when you wear a mask, you can kind of get rid of most of it, but there's always these fine particles of air that float, or dust that float around the air when you're working. And the first time I went, I looked, I found one I thought was cool, I bought it. It was loud. You couldn't hook a whole lot of, tools up to it. It says you could hook two up, but it was like really one at a time to get the full suction and, to get the dust out. So I recently bought a new one, and it's much quieter. It's more compact. It's much more powerful, and you can hook up more than one or two tools to it. I'm gonna let you hear. I still have the other one that I bought, the first one. I'm gonna let you hear how loud this is. You tell me what you think. That's the first one. Now I'm gonna let you hear. Let you hear the new one. Tell me what you think. Much different. Air suction is much different. Volume is much different. Nobody could hear it. So, with that being said, I started making a whole lot of stuff here, and I didn't go to the top with the furniture and the cabinetry and all. That's like the echelon of woodworking stuff. They told me to start at the bottom, so I started making like these what do you call them? Oh, cutting boards, and I'll show you what they look like. This is my first try at this. I like it. It's fun. It's creative. It's something to do, and it definitely keeps me occupied. I will tell you the tools have made a hell of a difference in safety and accuracy, and the dust collection is unbelievable. Let me show you the table saw. This is the table saw. Hold on, let me turn the air off. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this new one's got a remote. Anyway, this is the table saw, and on this side it has a router table. It's made by a company called Harvey, and this is a 36-inch model. They actually make a bigger one, but this is just enough for me. But again, like I said, getting the right tools is absolutely important. I realize that. So these are the ones I work with. And this again is the Harvey dust processor, the G-700 dust separator. And this is the one that is nice and quiet. Harvey makes this as well. I'll actually show you the inside really quickly. It's not a whole lot in here because I just start working on this thing. But it collects all the dust into this big bin. Seems like there's not a whole lot in there. So the finer dust goes on this side and the bigger dust goes on this side. So it actually separates the stuff as it comes through the unit. So again, this here works well for me because my first job is not a woodworker. I am a singer, and I continue to do so. So this works perfect for me, man. This is a great unit in case you want to go get it. And just so you know, Harvey ain't paid me no money for this, but if you'd like to, Harvey, I'll take all donations. So I'm just filling you guys in with some of the stuff that I've been doing, and these are some of the tools that I've been using to do it. And woodworking is a really decent craft, man. There's nothing better than being able to do something from scratch with your own hands. So if you want to get into it, it's a lot of stuff out there to find out the information. And I'll be in here working. Oh, and if any of you woodworking guys out there, you YouTubers, got any information that you want to share or want to help or give me some insight, I'm a sponge for knowledge, so just let me know what you got.